Distance. Ideally both time and distance, but distance is something which is objective. Like someone will walk just 1 kilometer in 1 hour, whereas the other person will walk 8 to 10 kilometers in 1 hour. Ideally one should walk minimum 8 kilometers. 8 kilometers per day. At any age. Yeah. 8 kilometers per day. Heart pain and non-heart chest pain. Yeah. Even the doctors cannot differentiate. The only way out is to perform ECG, to perform the blood test that will tell us about whether it is because of the heart or it is not because of the heart. Therefore, if you get chest pain, the wise thing to do is immediately go to a doctor, get an ECG done, get your blood test done, and if it is normal, then after certain time, whenever you get appointment, get your complete health check done. 2D echo, stress test, and if everything is normal, then you are young. How old are you? 30 years. So maybe you can wait for another 2 years for your health checkup. So every alternate year till the age of 40, and then every year you can undergo health check. But ideally, you should undergo health check so you are 100% sure that the chest pain that you get is not because of the heart. So and other thing is, see, nowadays the thing is common. Coronary disease is common, number one. And number two, you will be unnecessary again under tension if you get chest pain. So if you have undergone health check, then for next 2 years you are sure that the chest pain is unlikely to be of the cardiac origin. Yeah. Pardon? Yeah, if someone is having a lot of junk food at irregular intervals, that also can lead to coronary artery disease. Unfortunately, in 50% of the patients with coronary artery disease, first symptom is sudden cardiac death. It is a silent disease, and that's why regular health check is important to know about the coronary artery disease. And remaining 50%, the symptoms, 50% it is sudden cardiac death. There are no symptoms, initial symptoms. Then out of remaining 50, half the people have vague symptoms. Like they will get some feeling of gaseous distension in the stomach, or they will get pain somewhere in jaw or neck or back. It will not be chest pain as such. Only very few lucky people get classical chest pain, like pain in the left side of the chest, in the front region, what we call pericardium, and radiating to the left arm. But that is very rare. Most of the people are having vague symptoms or no symptoms at all. Yeah, like I told you, there is a electrical system controlling the electrical system. There is a natural pacemaker that fires the electrical current. It goes down the receiving chambers, then it comes to an area called AV node, where at the junction of the atrium, that is the receiving chamber and pumping chamber, and from there it goes down in between the two chambers, and there is a branch that goes to the right side and one branch goes to the left pumping chamber. So if right-sided electrical circuit is blocked, we call it right bundle branch block. If it is left side, in the sense the heart movement, pumping will not be coordinated, and that will lead to inappropriate pumping of blood, and in long term that is a problem. Actually, ideal thing to do is one should undergo proper medical checkup, and then we decide whether to manage with drugs, or is it so severe that we have to go ahead with some intervention. We must know the cause. Like sometimes it is because of the coronary disease itself, which is correctable, like we do bypass or whatever, the block gets. Yeah, that we will assess the patient and we'll decide how much intensity the person, how about intensity of the exercise. Yeah, but that is after a lot of we have to do a lot of studies. Yes, it is a problem. Yeah. Yeah, in many patients, patient gets heart attack, that is the death of the heart muscle, but he is not aware of it. That is silent heart attack, and it is common in the diabetic patients, because in diabetic patients as such pain, perception of pain is hampered because of diabetes, and in those patients silent heart attack is very common. Yeah. Pardon? May recover or may not recover. If patient dies suddenly, then it is end of it. Yeah, some people can get to, like it depends upon what is the location of the block. If it is in the left main artery and there is a plaque rupture, then it is end of it. Diabetes is one of the major causes of. Yeah, it is sign of heart disease. Yeah. Pardon? Whatever your ancestors have been using for centuries, that is the right oil for you. If your ancestors were using olive oil, then it is not okay for you. If your ancestors were having groundnut oil, it is the right oil for you. If your ancestors were having coconut oil, it is right oil for you. It is all marketing and commerce, Non-veg food is good for heart, and the people who eat non-veg, if you see all over the world as well as in India, the people who eat non-veg food, they live longer than the people who eat pure vegetarian food. So non-veg food is good for not only heart, for whole body. It is better than pure vegetarian. Why? I don't know why it is so. Yeah, see, people who are telling this, they are from some religious background and they are adding their, that is the marketing of their religious beliefs. That's why they are telling you vegetarianism is good and you should not eat non-vegetarian food.
So I am saying that vegetarian food is the best food and it can never harm your any immune system, and non-vegetarian food can cause a lot of problems.
That is the misconception. Sorry.
It's not a misconception. It's a true fact of the best.
Huh?
I've never heard this. More and more people are turning to vegetarian.
No, let me.
You can say a person who is eating non-veg food can live longer than the person.
That is the fact. That is.
It cannot be a fact. I don't believe so.
See, because then you have to read. You have to read the statistics. I don't have to give you. You have to read it. I am telling you the statistics. I am not here to prove. I have been called the library today. I am invited to give lecture. Yeah, I am not here to prove anything. Angina is pain. Angina is pain. Angina is any pain. Like if you have pain in the hand, that is also angina. Yeah. That is. No. If it is angina due to heart, then we talk of stable and unstable. Yeah. They're stable and unstable. Yeah. Unstable angina. related as if it is related to the heart. Stable is the one where the symptoms are stable, like up to certain exercise you are not getting any exercise level, you don't get pain. You get beyond certain level, there are so many criteria for that, and because of those criteria we use